Hello everyone and welcome to our channel. Today I'm making Filipino chicken arroz caldo, easy, comforting, and perfect anytime. There's something about arroz caldo that just feels like home. It's warm, comforting, and simple but so satisfying. This is the kind of food you make on a rainy day when you're not feeling well or when you just want something cozy. First, heat some oil in a pan over medium heat. Once the oil is hot, add the chicken. Let the chicken cook and brown nicely. Try not to move it too much at first. You want to achieve that golden color. This step adds a lot of flavor, so do not rush it. Once the chicken is cooked and lightly golden, set it aside for now. Next, grab a pot and heat a little oil over medium heat. Add the garlic, ginger, and onion. Saute everything until it smells really good. You will know when it's ready when the onions are soft and the garlic and ginger are fragrant. This is the base of the arroz caldo, so take your time here. Now let's add the rice. We are using a mix of jasmine rice and sweet rice. Stir the rice into the garlic, ginger, and onion, making sure everything is well coated. This helps the arroz caldo get that nice creamy texture later on. Next, let's add the chicken back into the pot. Mix everything together so the rice and chicken are evenly combined. Now, let's add about 2 tablespoons of fish sauce. Give it a good stir so the flavor spreads evenly. Add 2 to 4 cups of water, depending on how thick you like your arroz caldo. Stir everything well, then cover the pot and let it simmer for a few minutes. While it is simmering, check the rice often. Open the lid, stir it, and make sure nothing sticks to the bottom. You will see the rice slowly soften and thicken the soup, and that's exactly what you want. Once the rice is cooked, add 2 chicken cubes. Season with pepper and salt to taste. Stir well so everything dissolves and blends together. Now add some safflower for color. This gives the arroz caldo that nice golden look. Give it a taste test. Keep stirring and let it cook until you get to the thickness you like. Some people like it more soupy, others like it thicker. Both are equally good. And that's it! Your Filipino chicken arroz caldo is ready to serve. Scoop it into a bowl while it's hot. Top it with green onions, crispy garlic, a squeeze of calamansi or lemon, and a slice of boiled egg for extra richness and protein. Simple, comforting, and perfect any day. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like and subscribe for more easy, home-style cooking. Thanks for watching and enjoy your arroz caldo. Bye now!